Okay, one little tiny part left of this lesson. We're just going to look at cosines and sines and then determine which quadrant that angle would terminate in. So remembering that the sine and the cosine are the x and the y in reverse order though. Okay, so remember your xy coordinate. This is the cosine of whatever angle, and then this is the sine of whatever angle that is in the unit circle. So here we're looking at the sine being negative. Okay, it's less than 0, so that's negative. The cosine is also negative. Okay, so that means both the x and the y are negative. So remember, if you're looking here, you have positive, positive, and then you have negative, positive, two negatives, and then a positive, negative. All right. So in this quadrant, you have the double negatives. So that's going to be quadrant 3. All right. Next one, the sine this time is positive and the cosine is negative. Now remember, the cosine comes first. So what we're looking here is for when your x value is negative and your y value is positive. And that would be in quadrant 2, right? You're going left and then you're going up. All right, here our cosine, or our x, is negative. Doesn't really matter that it's radical 3 over 2. Our sine is also negative, so here we have the double negatives again, so that's quadrant 3. Here the cosine is positive, or your x is positive, and your sine is positive, and they're both, the x and the y, are only positive in quadrant 1. And that's it for this lesson. So you can go on. There's just a couple of practice left, and then you'll be done with this lesson. I hope you guys liked the optical illusions I posted. I really like the optical illusions. There's a whole bunch of them. I just picked a few of my favorites for you to take a look at. Remember, you can comment on the actual place in Fun with Teachers where I place it. You don't have to send me a personal message, so you can kind of talk and comment to each other about the optical illusions, or about anything for that matter. Okay. All right. I will not see you soon, but you'll hear my voice soon enough. All right. Bye-bye.